going to discuss expressing fraction to decimal. Okay, so we have the rule. We change a fraction to decimal by dividing its numerator by the denominator. Okay, so for example number 1, we have 1/2. We are going to change it into decimal. Okay, so we are going to divide 1. We are going to divide by its numerator. So 1 divided by 2. Okay, so 1 divided by 2 is 0. Yan. And then we write decimal here at saka dito, align sila. And now, we're going to add 0. And itong magiging whole number na siya. So, it is treated as 10. So, 10 divided by 2 is become 5. So, 5 divided by 2 was 10 minus, and to subtract, equals to 0. So, therefore, 1/2 changed to decimal, so it becomes 0.5. Next, example number 2. Okay. Our given is 3/4. Okay, same process. We are going to divide again. 3 divided by 4, or numerator divided by denominator. So again, we have 4, add decimal point, align. And this one, add 0. Then 30 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract. Okay, so we have 2. Add 0. Ayan. So it becomes 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay. Then 5 times 20 times 4 is 2. Okay. So the answer is, so 3/4, if we change to decimal, it becomes 0.75. Okay. Next example. Now, let's proceed to number 3. Okay, our given, we have 9/4. We're going to change to decimal. Okay, so yan. Okay, we are going to divide numerator to denominator. So, our numerator is 9 and our denominator is 4. Okay, we are going to divide 9 divided by 4. We have 2. Then 2 times 4, we have 8. Okay. And what is 9 minus 8? So, we have 1. Okay, 1 can be divided to 4. Pwede ba natin ma-divide ang 1 sa 4? So, cannot be. So, we're going to add decimal point, align dito, dito, and add 0, and we treat as bring down 0. Okay, so it's whole number 10 divided by 4. We have 2, then 2 times 8, 4, we have 8, and if we are going to subtract 10 minus 8, we have 2, then again, bring down, add 0, bring down 0 here, then 20 divided by 4 is 5, 5 times 4 is equals to 20. So, going to subtract is equals to 0. So therefore, 9 over 4, if we change to decimal, it becomes 2.25 or 2 and 25 hundredths. Now, so we have sample number 4. We have 7 tenths. We are going to change to decimal or 7 tenths change to decimal form. So, lagi natin tandaan kung paano natin siya binabasa. We have 7 tenths. Ganon din po natin siyang isusulat into decimal. So, for example, we have 7 tenths. So, to 7 tenths, no? So, we have 0. Then, this is your 0, then decimal. Para decimal part, at saka sa, ma-separate yung decimal part, saka yung whole number part. So, we have 0, and then 7. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, this 0 is your ones, and 7 is your tens. So, changing fraction 7 tenths to decimal, we have 0.7 or 0.10 or 7 tenths. Okay, so we have example number 5, and same with example number 4, same process. So we have 35 over 100. We are going to change to decimal. So we have sabi nga natin, kung paano mo siya binabasa, we have 35 hundredths, no? So, we have 0. Then, put a decimal here. And, we have the ones, we have the tens, and the hundredths. Okay? And then, dito mo ilalagay yung 35. So, therefore, 35 over 100 is equal to, in decimal, we have 0.35 or 35 hundredths. Okay, next example. So, we have 9 over 1,000. Okay, so again, so we have 0, your ones, and your tenths, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, so therefore, 9 over 1,000. If we change to decimal, so we have 9 thousandths. Okay, 0.009 or 9 thousandths. Okay. Number 7. So we have 65 over 10 change to decimal form. So we have, we're going to use the long method, which is the division. We are going to divide numerator 65 to our denominator 10. Okay. So 65 divided by 10, so we have 6. Then 6 times 10, meron tayong 60. Then if we going to subtract 65 minus 60, we have 5. Since 5 hindi siya kayang makadivide sa 10, we're going to add 0. But before that, we're going to add decimal point dito sa ating dividend and also sa ating quotient. Then bring down 0. So, 50 divided by 10 magiging 5. Then 50 multiplied by 10, we have 50. Then subtract 50 divided by 50 minus 50, meron tayong 0. So therefore, 65 tenths change to decimal, we have 6.5. Okay. So we have example number 8. We have 8 and 1/5. We're going to change to decimal. And so we're going to, since it is a mixed fraction, we're going to change into improper fraction by simply multiply 8 times 5. We have 40 plus 1. We have 41 over 5. And we are going to divide numerator. So 41 divided by 5. Okay. So 41 divided by 5. So we have 8. Then 8 divided by, multiply 5. Meron tayo 40. We're going to subtract 41 minus 40. So we have 1. Okay. We are going to add another 0. And so 10 divided by 5. So we have 2. Then 5 times 2 times 5. We have 10. So subtract 10 minus 10 equals to 0. So therefore, 8 and 1/5. If we're going to change to decimal, we have 8 point. Now, so let's have a second to the last example. We have 2/3 changed to decimal. So it's a proper fraction, no? We are going to simply divide 2 divided by 3. Okay. So, ilang 3 meron sa 2. So, there is none. Wala. So, put 0. And then, put decimal here and also here. Then, add 0. And it just become 20 divided by 3. So, we have 6. Okay. So, 6 times 3 equals to 18. And then, subtract. We have 2. Then, add another 0 here. Okay, so also, again, it is 20 divided by 3. So, we have 6 ulit, no? So, 6 times 3, we have 18. As you can see, nauulit siya. So, paulit-ulit siya. So, it becomes 2, again, 3. So, 2. So, ayan. So, malamang kapag mag-add ulit tayo ng 0, 2 na naman at uulit na naman siya. And this is an example of repeating decimal. So, we sabi repeating decimal, meaning, so we have laging uulit lang po yung number niya is either 666, no? So, ang gagawin natin dito, we simply write is this one. Have 6.6 at kung saan yung naulit na number, doon tayo maglalagay ng 1 kasi continuous siya. Continuous to 0.66 to infinity siya. So, therefore, our answer, so hayaan nyo na lang siyang ganyan, no? Ganyan na lang siya kasi ulit na naman dahil repeating decimal ito. So, therefore, our answer from 2/3 changed to decimal, it will be 0.6. Okay, and this is an example of repeating decimal. Okay. Now, let us have last example. We have 1/3. We are going to change to decimal. Okay. So, simply, we are going to divide 1 divided by 3. Okay. So, ilang 3 meron sa 1. So, none. We are going to put 0. And then, decimal dito sa dividend natin as well as sa ating quotient. And then, add 0. then divide. So, we're going to divide. This is considered as yung 10 na siya. So, 10 divided by 3 plus 3. Then 3 multiply by 3. We have 9. And subtract, we have 1. Again, add 0. Okay, so 10 divided by 3 is ulit. Naulit ulit siya sa 3, no? Okay, so multiply, same answer pa din. Okay, 1. So, pag ganito po, hindi na po natin siya itutuloy-tuloy kasi this is considered as repeating decimal. So, what we are going to do, maglalagay tayo ng bar kung saan yung naulit either sa dito, yan. Okay. So, kasi still, kahit ipagpatuloy natin yan, possible na magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin siya sa 3. So, stay, ano pa din. So, at ito ay, ang tawag natin dito, it is a repeating decimal. So, therefore, 1/3 change to decimal, we come up in this answer.